Today we are introducing the Delem DA-66T CNC controller for the press brake. This advanced tool elevates sheet metal bending to a new level and is available on our machines. Let's begin with the user interface. The Delem DA-66T features a large 17-inch control touchscreen for easy operation and intuitive navigation. Gesture support and graphical data presentation significantly simplify programming and monitoring of the bending process. With graphical programming and 3D preview, the operator can visualize the bending process in 3 dimensions. This feature reduces the risk of errors and allows for implementing quick corrections to ensure precision and accuracy. The Delem DA-66T provides advanced CNC functions including automatic bending sequence calculation, table deflection compensation called crowning, and collision detection, enhancing safety and accuracy during operation. An extensive library of tools and materials allow for quick selection of appropriate bending parameters for various applications. Operators can create and save their own configurations, making their work much easier. The controller can be expanded to include functions compatible with many CAD/CAM systems, allowing seamless integration with existing company solutions. The ability to import ready-made bending programs directly into the controller is another step toward work optimization. The operation in multiple axes allow a precise control of the most complex bending processes. The Delem DA-66T allows programming and independent control of up to 9 axes for flexibility and accuracy in production. Remote monitoring and diagnostics enable quick response to problems and minimize downtime. The operator can monitor press brake operation from anywhere with an internet connection. Advanced safety features such as collision detection and interlock systems, ACAS laser protection, and ergonomically designed user interface minimize the risk of operator error and ensure comfort during operation. In addition to its main features, the Delem DA-66T offers a number of minor functions that make the programmer's and operator's job easier. These include a multilingual interface, quick creation of bending programs, built-in calibration tools, real-time preview, easy copying and editing of programs, system personalization, operation history, advanced system functions, support for various file formats, easy software updates, and built-in help. The Delem DA-66 controller is an advanced and versatile tool that significantly simplifies and improves the press brake bending process. It makes sheet metal bending more precise, efficient, and safe. Come to our machine showroom in Bloomingdale and see how efficient a press brake with Delem DA-66T system can be for your company. Schedule a free appointment today. Call us at 773-802-5868.